loving and adorable students standing in front of you for the purpose of teaching English language. I feel a unique sort of delectation, bliss in my heart. Okay, you all know that we have started the sweet and happy journey of the grammatical study, the pronoun. About the pronoun, we have got the knowledge about its origin, definition, kinds, and some other explanations. While teaching yesterday, while teaching yesterday, I cleared the first person, the second person, the third person, and the fourth person. Today, I am going to start teaching you the next kind of the pronoun. Are you ready? Does your heart allow you to study the pronoun English grammar? You all students know that grammar is needed for all students in all classes. There is no foundation, there is no limitation. Okay, without losing our valuable and precious time, let's take the pen in the hand and open the notebook, sit in front of the mobile, and let's start our classes. And again, I want to remind you that all the students are going through the pronoun. That is very important. I am writing down the pronoun. The pronoun. The topic is the same. Continued. Okay. The kind of the pronoun that I am going to explain to all of you is the demonstrative pronoun. The demonstrative pronoun. We all the students needed to study its origin or genesis. Then we shall study its definition, and then we shall know what words are included or added to the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, let's first write its origin or genesis. Genesis. This word has become very common to us. This word has become very common to us, and all students, I think, may have understood what the meaning of Genesis is. The meaning of Genesis in English is origin, and in Hindi, Utpatti ya Janam. Etymologically, recording the term demonstrative has its ovum in the Latin word demonstrativus, 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 which means demonstrative. Demonstrative. Actually, students, I want to say something to you that is very important and beneficial for our educational life. While studying grammar through video, okay, we all the students have to be careful and helpful about that. We have to learn exact and accurate pronunciation of the word. It is must. It is it is so necessary. It is so important for all of the students that if we fail to learn the accurate pronunciation or articulation of a particular word, it means that our knowledge is incomplete. Okay, so I request to all students to be careful about the pronunciation of the word. It is very necessary. Etymologically recording, the term demonstrative had its ovum in the Latin word demonstrativus, whose spelling is demonstrativus, which means demonstrative. Okay, now we have completed its origin. It is said that almost all the words of English have originated from the world renowned language Latin. Though about Latin language, it is said that it is a dead language and it is obsolete. It is not common in use. Moreover, it is necessary for all of us to study and know about Latin. The term demonstrative has the term demonstrative has come down to us in the Latin word demonstrativus, whose spelling is demonstrativus, which means demonstrative. Okay. After this step, we have to get what its definition is. Okay. Being students, all have to request their mind to prepare study. Now let's write definition. The pronoun that refers to nearness and farness is said to be the demonstrative pronoun or the like. My students are in wait for understanding what is the demonstrative pronoun is. Now there is no doubt. I want to convince you. The pronoun that indicates that the pronoun that indicates that something or somebody is near or far, it is called demonstrative pronoun. The pronoun of English grammar that indicates the idea that somebody is here or something is here or somebody is there or something is there. It means that distance. It is called demonstrative pronoun. In other clear words, it can be said that the pronoun that indicates distance belonging to nearness and farness is said to be the demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Verbigracia. Verbigracia. This is my destiny. That is your cup. These are withered flowers. Those are bloomed flowers. I have produced here four different sentences which include the demonstrative pronouns such as these, that, these, and those. These are the demonstrative pronouns. And our next step is that we have to know exactly their usage. Now let's write its usage. This, it is singular in meaning and sense and so is singular in use. It is basically used to connote nearness. While introducing somebody, comma, it is used. Now I have completed the rule. Now I am erasing it. Though our English grammar says that the term this is called a demonstrative pronoun, the rule of grammar says about it that it is singular in meaning and sense and it is singular in use. It is used for everybody. It is used for birds, animals, non-living things and human beings. When you introduce somebody, when you introduce somebody to someone, that's why in the introduction this is used. Okay, and one particular thing, it is used to indicate nearness. It is used to indicate nearness. Bharvi. This is Radha. This is Radha means this sentence indicates that it is introduction. Somebody introduces someone. This is my pen. This was impure. Okay. Now our next pronoun is that, the term that. It is also singular in meaning and sense and so is singular in use. It is fundamentally used to indicate foreignness, Bharvi. That is water. That was a glass. No. The rule of the demonstrative pronoun says that the term that is regarded as a demonstrative pronoun, it is used to indicate distance. It is singular in meaning and sense, and that's why it is also singular in use. It always takes a singular verb in the present and the past tense. Okay? It means wah in Hindi. And the meaning of this in Hindi is yeah. Now let's write others. Dij, dij. It means in Hindi ये सब. It is plural in meaning and use. It always takes a plural verb and a plural noun as an object. It is used to indicate nearness. Now let us understand its meaning. The rule of grammar says that the term these is a demonstrative pronoun and it is plural in meaning and sense, and that's why it is plural in use. It always takes a plural verb and a plural noun as an object in the sentence. It is used to indicate nearness. It is used to indicate nearness, and the meaning of this in Hindi is yes sir. Okay? Verbic ratio. These are gods. These are wells. These are metals. Okay? I have jotted down examples here. And the last pronoun that we are going to take is very important for our study. Students often complain to me saying that English grammar is insipid, it is boring. To study English grammar is tedious. I don't know why they say so. What is the reason behind it? It is secret to me, it is a mystery to me. But I am trying to find the reason behind it. Those. It means in Hindi वे सब. It is plural in meaning and use. It always needs a plural verb and a plural noun as an object. Fundamentally, it is used to indicate foreignness, foreignness. Now let us understand its meaning. The grammatical study of the demonstrative pronoun indicates and say that the term those is regarded as demonstrative pronoun. It is plural in meaning and sense, and so it is plural in use. The meaning of those in Hindi is wo sab, या वे सब. It always takes a plural verb and a plural noun as an object. It is used, it is used to indicate farness or a distance of farness. Okay, Bharvi Glacier. Those are documents. Those are birds. Those are tables. Okay. Whatever I have taught for the benefit and well goodness of my students, that is enough, that is sufficient. Actually, I am extremely sorry to remind you that I don't have a checked or enough time to devote it to you. Okay, in the next class we shall study next pronoun.